Hi friends, a lot of news from our favorite automation tool, Ansible. If you don't know, this is a bull because Ansible started in the Bull City, Durham. Anyway, long story short, everything is summarized in the newsletter, but we are going to talk about the new Ansible-Core, the new Ansible Community package, the new AWX operator package, and Ansible DevTools to create a wonderful developer experience. So let's start from the meaty part. Ansible-Core is going to be updated to release 2.17.1. It has already be discussed and there are so many interesting things, especially the ability to run as a non-root, and it is very polished. This release has a lot of things underneath and will be a good foundation for all your project. As usual, there is going to be released also the community package. This is version 10.0 that include all the possible bug fixes and is going to be released today, 18th of June 2024. Consequently, there will be also an AWX operator, so it will be 2.19 release. Take a look around and this will be very interesting. One thing that is very important is that developing Ansible content sometimes is a little bit daunting, and you would like to be sure that you have all the tools installed in your workstation. So this is why the community started the Ansible Dev Tool project that you can find out via PyPy, and is basically an umbrella around all the your favorite tool: the Ansible Binder, the Ansible Core, Creator, Dev Environment, Dev Tools. Everything is inside this package. So if you are a developer or creating any content around Ansible, you must have Ansible Dev Tools. The reason behind is that the developer experience was a little bit fragmented, and I really like that the board of this is just the Kanban board is available publicly, so you can check it out, the status of the project, and you can suggest a bug or new improvement. Everything is summarized inside the Ansible newsletter. If you don't receive in your email, you need to subscribe or check it out in the Ansible forum. We already discussed about the DevTools. There are some updates about the collection. Some collection get upgraded, for example community.network and the new Ansible Podman collection. There is a currently discussion to move the email Bullhorn subscription to the Ansible forum. As I already said, this is a topic that is going to be explored. If you are interested, please contribute on this forum description. The Ansible forum is the official way of communicating with the Ansible community. As you can see underneath here, there is all the edition of the newsletter. Some content are going to be discontinued, for example Open vSwitch, FRR and YOS. If you are interested, check it out, each of these discussion, or maybe adopt this collection. There will be some events for the community, especially Ansible Fest in Minneapolis if you're in US, June 20th, 2024, and if you are next to Benelux region in the Netherlands, there will be on July 6th an event about event-driven automation. That's all, folk. Let's automate more. Bye!